Southern Africa truck drivers. Yeah, there's an accident here. This is the track for breweries. So drive with care. Those people are coming from Lusaka in the game park. Just after the checkpoint, you have to be very careful when you are driving. Yeah, there's one truck here, so you have to be very careful, very careful. Yeah, there's an accident here. This is the truck. This is the truck. Yeah, this is the truck. So please drive with care, drive with care, drive with care. Yeah, this is the truck. Please, you know it's raining, minimize your speed.